There are two kinds of mindsets. Number one, okay, na klase ng mindset natin, so-called the fixed mindset. When you speak about fixed mindset, kung may sasabihin ka sa taong yan, carrying that fixed mindset, ang palaging sagot, negative. Hindi ko na kailangan yan. Sayang lang. Alam ko na yan. Kahit hindi naman totoong alam ng tao. But when you develop that growth mindset in a way that you're open to learning, ito yung mga klase ng mga tao na may opportunity, may potential to grow as leaders. In fact, that even you are a leader, it doesn't mean that you stop learning. Because what you can do depends on the limitations of what you know. Ay kung kunti lang alam natin, anong pwede natin mai-contribute? Yung kunti lamang na alam natin. But the more na pinapalawig natin, pinapalawak natin ang ating kaalaman sa buhay, the more na mas marami tayong na-contribute sa buhay. Okay? Those are basic formula in life. And that's why, again, it's developed the growth mindset. A mindset that is open to learning. A mindset that sees opportunities in every difficulty. A mindset that sees learning instead of the defeat. A mindset that appreciates instead of simply complaining. Okay? Another one, right attitude. Tama na pag-uugali. Okay? Okay. Again, sabi natin, we need to be heart smart. Yeah? No matter how good you are, when you lack that right attitude. In fact, that big business organizations, like Makati Business Club, would always say that we hire for attitude, we train for skills. Kahit kulang tayo ng kakayahan, ng skills, kung tayo po ay trainable, coachable, mabibigyan ka pa rin ng pagkakataon to be part of an organization. When you speak about mental fortitude, your ability to maintain your focus. Okay? Your ability to have clear vision in spite of all these disturbances. Your ability to stay sane in a so-called insane world. Yeah? Maraming mga problems. And yet, you could always gather that focus and continue what you are doing. Because you are guided by that clear vision in life. Yeah?